How to fix the Roblox verification code issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the Roblox login verification, here is what should be done. First and foremost, make sure you have a stable internet connection. The issue with the verification code could be due to a weak internet connection. Once you have ensured it, head over to your Roblox application. Long press it and go to app info and go to storage and cache and clear the cache. Sometimes VPN could also cause issue with the login verification code. So, head over to your device settings, go to the VPN settings under network and connections. Make sure to disable it while you get the login code or verification code of Roblox. Once you have disabled, head over to your Google Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar on the bottom right corner and type in Roblox. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If you are using the browser version or the web version, make sure to use another browser and try to log in again. However, if you are stuck on verification, make sure to wait for a few seconds and then try again for the verification code. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.